Hi. Hello. Hi.
Hi, Venkat. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Venkat. Hello. Are you with me? Venkat and Raviteja, Shiva. Hello.
Yeah, we are. We can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, my screen is visible to you? Hello?
Oh, no,
No?
we can't see anything.
Uh, No? Now check it.
No, I can't see anything.
అనుకోకు వాళ్ళకి కనపడతలేదంట.
Yeah, now I can see.
Now it's okay.
Hmm? Yeah,
Now open. This notepad is open. Is visible to you?
yeah, I can
Okay.
see that.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Mute and a green.
Okay. Mm. Now is it okay? Hello, Venkat.
Yeah,
Paint page is visible to you?
yeah, it is visible.
Okay. And what about others? Raviteja, Shiva, and Chandani. Hello, hello.
They just message like pinged in the ch chat window that it is fine. Like they can
Oh,
see it too.
okay, fine. Now today just formal discussion. I didn't start any technical discussion. I have to only explain about why we are using. Now my voice is okay to you? Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, we can hear you. It is clear.
Okay, fine. Yeah, the thing is why we are looking for framework and why we what is the use of design patterns. Anything doubt in this one? Size పెట్టు కొంచెం. Yeah. Yeah, all of you. Hello. Could you reply me? Today is just enough. Just interact with you, and tomorrow onwards I
Okay.
will start you. Just response to me because I don't know whether it is reaching to you or not. And could you reminding people also? Could you reply to me in terms of like voice only, not in chat, because I can easy to understand your hearing my voice.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
okay.
And the thing is, we have a lot of frameworks in market. Like Java frameworks are there and .NET frameworks are there and UI frameworks also there. But why Java frameworks are very popular? Because framework is introduced in market in Java people only. So by using framework, we can easy to like develop our websites or web applications. It is very easy to understand. So frameworks gives less complexity and yeah, less complexity and it is very easy to understand what are the requirement we have to complete. And one more thing is using frameworks we can easy to develop our application. So that is the main importance of frameworks. There are three types of frameworks in market. One is a web application framework and standalone application framework and ORM like database related framework. In that one, web application frameworks are like Struts, Spring, and some other like IBM frameworks are there. But according to rank wise, Spring framework is very popular, and Struts framework 1.x is outdated now. No one is using Struts framework for present feature web applications, but everyone looking for a Spring application because Struts 1.x after 1.x they didn't upgrade anything inside the Struts frameworks. So that's why the people are mainly using for framework. And the thing is, Spring framework is very popular and it is very useful for all the people. So that is the main importance of framework. So using frameworks, everything is inbuilt, and we have to only use for small applications, small things. Because if you are seeing about any registration page, in the registration page, common things are uh, uh, for making the like checkbox or some tuples, everything for maintaining for UI or front end kind of things is common, and storing the information backend is common. But only thing is difference is to transfer the data from front end to back end. The concept which is available in the network data adapter. In that one only it will be changes are happened. So those changes we are seeing in that one. So that is the main importance in the framework. And design patterns also, it is a predefined rules and which are mainly using for uh, like uh, uh, to develop for application according to the like uh, command ways, structural ways, behavioral ways, and creational ways. This is the main importance in the design patterns. So, using design patterns, frameworks are developed. In that frameworks, it is working on top of technology, not on top of design patterns. So, every framework inside the inbuilt in abstraction layer that is easy to develop for like a web application or any application like standalone or database applications. So, these are the things we are using in the framework. Venkat, are you here? Hello, hello.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Today is just for introduction. Not only introduction, just for communicate together all the people, whether it is working or not, my equipment, all the things. And tomorrow onwards, I will start for Spring Framework for introduction. Using for I will use for Paint and Notepad. If you want to any like doubts, I will design. I will draw for any diagrams or any images in Paint using some you paint techniques. And if anything is
okay,
text, I will use in the notepad, so you can easy to understand what are the things. So we are going by very slow to, these 2 days we are only discussing. Tomorrow is I have only discussed about Spring Framework's introduction and some configurations about Spring MVC. And then tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will discuss about some real-time example, very small real-time example. Once if you are understanding of that real-time example, we can go for the some complex example, either in banking sector or library, hospital management sector, or any GUI kind of things. Because in real time, everyone using either banking or hospital or some e-commerce technology, this kind of applications everyone doing. So we can see for these three applications in Spring MVC. And I will show
okay,
for once we are seeing about Spring MVC, I will show for Struts MVC also. Then you can easy to understand why we are go for Spring MVC and Struts MVC. So that is you can easy to identify why Spring is very popular. But the thing is, if you we have to mainly focusing on technology for understanding about what are the basic level concepts available in the technology, because frameworks will be changing day to day. Because sometime if you know nowadays Spring framework is very popular. It is only like if the Spring people, if they are upgrading day to day, means it will be famous for 10 years or 15 years, but technology never changing, never down. Framework will be down because earlier if you are seeing about starts in 2000 period or 2004 or 8 in this period, struts frame MVC or struts framework is very popular. but now it is outdated because Struts framework is not upgraded. That's why nowadays no one is using Struts frameworks. If anyone using Struts frameworks, means they only doing for supporting, because already the application is developed in the Struts frameworks. So that's why everyone saying for Struts. Okay. Okay, today just stopping, just interaction only, whether it is connecting or not. So tomorrow onwards, I will start freshly, and you don't worry about anything else. I will pick up you for real-time application, and I will give for all kind of like problem solving, and you can easy to develop whenever the like client people are giving any application, you can easy to develop for application. So that is my main motto for giving this kind of interaction and training also. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I will start. I will stop today.